I was going to talk about papayas a little bit. We've got lots of them growing here on the property. I did not eat them much or like them much. I just didn't like the fruit, didn't like the mushy stuff. But there's a lot of different type of papayas I found out. We have 3 different ones here. These are kind of oblong. I've been eating these off and on the last few days. They're not too bad. You wait till they're really, really yellow, then you pick them. They're not too bad, but these are kind of oblong. We have one that's more rounder, closer to the house. And you see it's got a lot of them on it. Every 2 or 3 days I get 1 or 2 off of it. Now this papaya plant or popo here is big. I mean, these are big. Have never tasted one of these. There's my hand. But these things are big. Never tasted one yet. I'm really excited to see what they taste like. This one's got quite a few up it. And like I say, to me they taste a little bit like an apricot, kinda. Not really. The aftertaste is a lot apricot-y. Not too bad. I've been kind of enjoying them. We have got 8 or 10 trees of them, or plants, or bushes of them on the property. These blooms are really close in there. Really close and tight in there. And these blooms on this one here are really a long ways out there. I don't know why. I don't know the difference. I'm not a papaya expert. All I'm doing is just saying this is what I've been eating for breakfast the last few mornings. But this one here has blooms that stick way out. I have 2 of these like this on the property. And I'm not really sure why. But if it has a fruit, I'll try it, see what it tastes like. We've had to fill in a lot of holes in our orchard. We've got a lot of trees yet to plant. But the papayas are kind of taking over a little bit, which is fine, I guess. Something's growing, it's edible. It's not too bad. But I found out there's lots of different kinds. That surprised me. Because at the beginning I just did not care for papaya until I had one that tastes like an apricot. Then I thought, wow, that's not bad. Over here we got some rice fields growing. They need harvested pretty quick here. Thought I'd throw in some rice on top of the papayas. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Not sure how much rice we'll get off of it. It's looking kind of nice. They're not real big rice fields. Usually get about under 30 bags off of it on a harvest. 28, 26 bags off of it on a harvest. But it's looking pretty good. It'll be something to eat too. It's growing. We've got a lot of mangoes out here. All these mango trees are grafted. All these trees are grafted except for papaya. This is our orchard we're building out here. They're growing really nice. We cut a lot of trees down this last year, but all these mangoes are grafted. Some of them are in the shade. They're not growing as fast in the shade, which is fine for us. You know, we don't want them all to come on at once, I guess. These are approximately 2 years old already. Yeah, 2 years old. They're doing pretty good. Some of them ones down there are doing a lot better. But that is my mango or my papaya adventure. Yeah, give them a try. They're not too bad. I mean, I've had better, but they're growing, they're free. Something to snack on a little bit once in a while. Well, until next time, stay cool, stay sexy.